or just like stripes, like here. Perhaps we should go full koi carp. Koi carp. Yeah, they've mostly just got big old splotches running down their back. That's something we can do. It's always optional, isn't it? I'm gonna remove the fin area later. Just something like this. Koi carp flavored Sahuagin. That's fun. My personal D&D campaign is set in fantasy Japan, so I could definitely make use of these guys. Yeah, I'm happy we experimented a little. Just something like this. Not going crazy. Have a distinct band here, so we can leave their face alone. Yeah, it's fun. It's fresh. So we'll have moth-flavored kuatoa and koi carp-flavored Sahuagin. It's great fun. And you know what? Since we're doing koi carp-flavored Sahuagin, let's play around with the colors. There. Is that pretty cute? Yeah. I like that. Yeah, that's adorable. We'll keep that going for now. This guy might be a little tricky. He doesn't have as much back area to play with. And where he does, there's kind of a shine. But let's get that forehead arc in there. I just need to remove the fin area from... No, that won't work. Disregard. And I guess it runs down the back of their arms as well. Does that make sense? Yeah, little splodges on the tail, and we'll call it done. So Hippie TTV is asking what kind of music I listen to when I'm drawing. Nothing consistent, but since I started streaming, I've been trying to find some music that I can play on stream. But right now I'm just listening to some... What is the official title? Lo-fi hip-hop radio. It's just something... Or I'll see what Spotify's Discover playlist spits out once a week. But I'm not super consistent with my music taste. Or before I started streaming, I used to listen to a lot of audiobooks. And I used to watch a lot of D&D YouTube channels / streams. Matt Colville probably being my favorite one. Hey Shmeen, you almost got it. Missed it by one key. I've lost my mouse cursor. There it is. Found it. So you tuned in just in time to see us finishing off our koi carp flavored Sahuagin and moving on to maybe the chul next, though he might not need any patterning. We're going to delete the fin layer at the end. Hopefully I'll remember to. Ah, this guy. Ugh, that's like a pale